Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is July the 19th, and I'm using my brand new MACD trader system. Now once the MACD gives a signal, you'll get an audio alert along with this pop-up box telling you the time on the instrument and whether you're going to buy or sell, and of course the time frame that it's on. Now the MACD here, along with this TZ, which stands for Trigger Zones Indicator, this is great to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now there's 4 things that you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. I provide the education. And very important, you need a daily trade plan. Now you should be buying more education every 2 to 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. So every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm putting together my daily trade plan. As I mentioned previously, you must have some kind of a trading plan or you will fail at trading. And once you have a trade plan, then you would know whether you should be buying or selling. That is why I manually put in this arrow right here. It's telling me I want to be buying, hopefully getting in at the right point. Keep in mind that if you don't know how to make a daily trade plan, well, you can get your hands on the daily trade plan that I produce. I do charge $100 a month unless you want me to teach you how to make your own daily trade plan. If you have any questions about the daily trade plan, just get in contact with me. Now we can get into these trades. The first trade was the Dow Jones. Knew I wanted to be selling. I didn't exercise enough patience. Should have waited, but that's okay, not a big deal. And keep in mind when I close out the trade, I'm just looking at the totals down here. And once I know that I'm 200 or more pips to the good, I just close out the trades and I don't worry about the pips and the ticks that I leave on the table. And I know for sure that I have well over 400 ticks today, especially with this DAX 30 here. So I took the trade at this cursor right here and I closed it out with approximately 33 ticks. I was happy with that. And those 33 ticks times $5 times 10 lots paid out $1,650. Moving on to the next trade, crude oil. Now this one here pays $10 a tick, so it looks like it number should be 26. So let's see, crude oil. Now this is the only instrument that I sold. All the rest I bought, took all the trades. This was the last trade I jumped in at, but the rest of them were between 6 and 6:30. So there's the arrow right from the daily trade plan, qualified for a great way to trade. And let's see, close it out over here just being happy. And as I said, it should be 26, and there it is, 26 ticks as soon as it's done jumping around. And 26 times $10 times 10 lots paid out $2,600. Please keep in mind that you can trade using my MACD trader system on anything that your broker offers you. Whatever you can get into the Market Watch. This Market Watch right here. Anything you can get in here, pull up the charts and you can trade it. It's as simple as that. So let's see the next one. S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick, qualifying for a great way to trade. Let's see where I got in first of all. Took the trade, went a little bit sideways, a little bit down, and then finally found its way up. I was 95% sure when I pulled the trigger that I had a winner. And as you can clearly see, I used a calculator, took the money, divided it by 5, and it did indicate it was 62 and change actually. So it's hard to get it right on, but let's just go with the 62 ticks times 5 times 10 lots. That's why you see it paid out $3,125. Moving on to the next instrument, which is the Russell. Pays $10. Wish I stayed in a little bit longer, but how many pips and ticks do you really want each day? As you can see, I could have made maybe 4 times that amount. There's the arrow, qualifies for a great way to trade. Everything's screaming to buy. And looking at the total, this should be 32. Let's see what I'd be up right now. That still would be 220. That'd be 22,000 down there. But that's okay. One of these days, I will just let it go and show you can get a lot more pips and ticks. It's hard to get it right on, but it is 32. You remove the last digit. 32 times 10 times 10 lots times $10. That paid out $3,200. Moving on to the NASDAQ. Love trading the NASDAQ. By the way, if you have a burning desire to double your account in one trade, it's quite possible to do it with the Russell, the NASDAQ, and the DAX 30. Every day, pretty much, every day, these 3 instruments move enough ticks that you can double your account in one trade. If you want some more information on how to do that, well, just get in contact with me. Quite simple. Here we go. NASDAQ. Drag and drop it up. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. And let's see. I took the money, divided it by 20, and the number was 27 actually. So let's see if I can show 27. There it is there. Remember, you remove the last 2 digits on the NASDAQ. So 27 times 20 times 10 lots paid out $5,440. Okay, moving on to the DAX 30. Now this one pays $3.75 for each tick. So let's go take a look at that. Okay. Took the trade at this cursor. Now I took the money, divided it by $3.75, and the number was approximately 684. If I was in the trade right now, I'd be up over 2,000. So that's about 3 times more money. See what I mean? How powerful this DAX 30 is? You can easily double your account. This would be 75,000, just to let you know. If I'd be still in the trade. Now, what did I say? It's 684. Let's see if I can find that. 680. It's going to be really hard to get it right on. But you can feel free to get the calculator, take the money, divide it by $3.75. The number is 684. And 684, it's actually 684.9 times the money times the 10 lots paid out $25,687. So another great day of trading. I just added up all the ticks here, and as I said, it's going to be well over 400. Today was 864 ticks, and those 864 ticks paid out $41,702. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my MACD trader system, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. You must have a daily trade plan. If you want some more information, simple, all you got to do is look right below this video. You'll see this write-up. It's my MACD trader system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. My MACD trader system has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 2 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. I also threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. And don't forget about that $1 million trade plan. I actually threw in 4 Word documents, which you will find very intriguing. How you can turn $1,000 into $1 million in 10 months, or if you want to go even faster than that using these futures, the 3 that I mentioned, you can do the same thing, actually starting with $1,000, and in 30 days or less, you can turn that $1,000 into $1 million. Everything is written in plain English, exactly how to do it. Anyhow, if you have any questions about this $1 million trade plan, just get in contact with me. Now, there's a lot of different ways to trade the markets, and I do teach a lot of different ways. That's why I made 22 training videos. Each video is about 30 minutes long. So I'm not going to read everything here. It's simple. Put the video on pause. Read everything here. If you have any questions at all, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, well, simple again, just send me an email. Keep in mind there's an underscore right here. Now, I really do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. Just click on this link, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions. I'll give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, hopefully it'll be tomorrow, as long as don't have any distractions. And I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.